Welcome to the Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add calculator on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After that open any blank document, and here at the top you can see a arrow icon which is customize quick access toolbar option. Then just click here, and at the bottom you can see more commands option. Then just click here. After that click on quick access toolbar. You can also find this option from your Excel settings. And here at the top you can see choose commands from option. Then just click on this arrow icon. Then you have to select commands not in the ribbon from here, and then scroll down and find calculator option. That's it. And here you can see calculator option. Then you have to double click on calculator and then click on OK, and it's done. And here at the top you can see calculator has been added successfully on the Excel, and here it is. And that is how you can add calculator on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.